Hello students, today we are going to start Matter in Our Surroundings, Chapter 1 in Chemistry. Let us see the contents. Introduction of matter, physical nature of matter, experiments that prove physical nature of matter, properties, classification and states of matter, diffusion, solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. What is matter? Matter is something that occupies space and has its own mass. It is something that can be felt by us. Both living things and non-living things are matter. The entire universe is composed of matter. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, stars, plants and animals, even a small drop of water or a particle of sand, everything is matter. It must be kept in mind that the things which we can simply perceive or feel about cannot be matter. For example, joy, sorrow, love, hatred, pain, and temperature are linked with our senses only. These are not matter. Students, you need to understand the physical nature of matter. Matter is made up of particles. Everything around us is made up of tiny pieces or particles. The particles of matter are constantly moving. They are in motion. The particles which make up matter are atoms and molecules. To study the physical nature of matter, let us look into some experiments to show that matter has particulate nature. Take 300 ml beakers, stirrer, sugar, crystals of potassium permanganate, blue ink and agarbattis. Take about 50 ml of water in beaker A, mark the label of water, add about 10 to 15 grams of sugar into it. Stir it to dissolve the sugar. Now, observe any change in water level in the beaker. What do you think has happened to the sugar? Where does it disappear? Does the level of water change? In order to answer these questions, we need to use the idea that matter is made up of particles. When we dissolve sugar in water, the particles of sugar get into the spaces between particles of water. In beaker B, place a small crystal of potassium permanganate. Pour water gently along the wall. Observe the purple color spreading into the water. After few hours, the whole solution becomes uniformly purple. That is, the purple color of potassium permanganate has spread into the water. In beaker C, fill 2/3 of the beaker with water. Place gently a drop of liquid blue ink on the surface of water. Observe spreading of the color. After some time, the solution becomes uniformly light blue. That is, the color of ink spreads in water. Now let us look into experiment 2. Light a few incense sticks or agarbattis in your puja room. Go to your drawing room. Can you smell the fragrance? Yes, you are able to smell the fragrance in your drawing room. How does it happen? The lighted agarbatti forms vapor. The vapor slowly gets mixed with the air. When the vapor mixed with the air enters your nose, you smell it. Conclusions. Sugar, potassium permanganate, ink gets spread uniformly in water. The fragrance of the agarbatti spreads uniformly in the air around the rooms. This shows that the matter in sugar, potassium permanganate gets broken down into smaller particles to spread in the whole water. The particles in the fragrant substance in agarbattis get distributed in the air. When do these particles go? These particles get into the spaces between the particles of water or air. Now let us look into properties of matter. We all know that matter is composed of some very small particles called atoms that sum up together to form molecules, which in turn gives rise to matter. These particles of matter possess some properties as follows. Matter is made up of particles. The particles of matter are very small in size. The particles of matter have space between them. The particles of matter are continuously moving. The particles of matter attract each other. Classification of matter. Matter is classified on the basis of its physical properties and on the basis of its chemical properties. On the basis of physical properties, matter is classified as solids, liquids and gases, which we are going to study in this chapter. On the basis of chemical properties, matter is classified as elements, compounds and mixtures, which we will be studying in the subsequent chapters. States of matter. The basic three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Fourth state of matter is plasma and fifth state of matter is Bose-Einstein condensate. This is a mind map which shows the different states of matter. Now let us learn a new word, diffusion. Diffusion is the process of a substance spreading out to evenly fill its container or environment. In a solution, a concentrated solute diffuses to spread evenly in its solvent. This is the process where the particles move from high concentration to low concentration. Now let us start the characteristics of solid, liquid and gaseous states. In solids, particles are tightly or closely packed. In liquid state of matter, particles are less tightly packed as compared to solids. In gaseous state, particles are far apart from each other. We are going to study in the next slide. Thank you.